Right. Okay. Comments from the chat room, eto na. Kanina pa namin to pinapakita kay Kyla eh. Tapos ready na siyang sumagot. From Lou, are there any chances she's going to work with her rival, Nina, in the future? First of all, let's ask her, meron ba talagang rivalry na parang, is by the people lang to?
Feeling ko sa tao lang sa paligid namin kasi kami naman, hindi mo talaga binanggit yung pangalan. Banggitin mo naman. Hindi, kasi sa akin wala naman parang okay lang. I mean, we've worked before na and maganda naman yung kinalabas nung, actually concert yon, mini concert. And actually meron pa isang song ngayon na various artists na makakasama ko rin siya. So, wala naman sa akin. For me, it's just work. Taas pa ako. For me, it's just work. Oo. Pero yung on a personal level, okay lang.
Alright.
Wala lang yun.
So yung mga, it's basically the people are trying to pit you against
Siguro yung
each
mga
other.
friends
Ganun lang.
namin around us, siguro sila feeling nila. Kasi tayo mga Pinoy, di ba gusto natin yung may rivalry. Pero in reality, I mean sa totoong buhay kami, hindi naman talaga.